welcome back to the channel. So today we're back on the Mark II. So what the plan for today is basically we are just gonna assemble the bottom end of the car. I threw in the crank already. I just need to still throw in the pistons, and then we will go about torquing it and then assemble two sums and the rest of the things. Oil pump. I probably need to get the oil pump cleaned out. I'm not gonna throw that on as yet. I'm gonna get the oil pump cleaned out. Yeah, so I'll basically clean it out now as well. I'll probably take you guys through it, or I'll probably let you guys see how I do it, or I'll just do it separately on my own and then just throw it back in and show you guys the completed setup. I know there's a lot of YouTube videos where the guys are cleaning things, cleaning oil pumps, cleaning heads, cleaning stuff like that. So I'm not gonna take you guys through too much of how to do videos. I'm not basically gonna make a how to do video. I'm just gonna throw a time lapse and then you guys can basically see what I am on about and what I am doing. Basically that is what I'm gonna do for now. I would actually like to get the motor in. What probably gonna do the block first. I'm just gonna throw in the block and then attach the gearbox, attach the prop shaft, do whatever I need to at the bottom, starter, etc, etc. Once that is completed, I'm gonna throw on the head, and yeah, and then just complete it and take it from there. I do have kinda everything I need. I just need two more things. As you guys have seen, the car now is a turbocharged car. The car is going to be turbocharged. I just need to get a dump valve, which I'm getting from DevSpec, and then I also do need to get my intake. I need to get actually modified or made up. As you guys have seen in the previous photo, or my previous photo that's on my other video, the car had throttles on, so I'm removing throttles off and then I'm gonna have to put on the intake. My father's playing with Micah inside there. So yeah guys, basically that is that. Let's get to assembling and see how far we get. So yeah, as you can see, I did already throw in the crank. So the crank is basically in the motor already. I can spin it by hand. The pistons is laying over there, so the pistons we are going to throw in the block right now. So yeah, so let's get to that and see how far we can get today. Hopefully we can complete the whole setup. Basically stopped working on the motor. Unfortunately we ran into a bit of an issue after doing person number 3 or person number 4, I'm not sure what person it was again. I've noticed that we actually broke. Let me see if you guys will be able to see in here. As you guys can see in here, we broke the oil squirt. So we broke the oil squirt there. We broke the oil squirt just over there. This oil squirt is fine because this person was not in yet. This is actually number 2 person we're busy putting in. So number 2 person did not break, and number 1 we broke off. The reason why it broke is because this is, I'm not sure if I told you guys before, but this is 87mm piston. So it is, oh, here's it. It is an 87mm piston that I have made fit for this car. So the engineer that I actually asked to do the pocketing was supposed to do the oil squirt channel to bypass. So they had to make a channel in the piston. I think it's about, yeah, I think that's number up. It's about here at the bottom somewhere. So you had to make the channel in the piston, like the original one has a channel in, for the piston actually to bypass the oil squirt. And yeah, unfortunately it is my fault. I did not check. I actually asked him to do it. He was very busy. I remember he was very busy, so he obviously forgot, and I forgot to check it as well. So I'm not blaming anyone. So yeah, basically that is that. Yeah, so I'm on my way taking the pistons back to him now. I spoke to him already on the phone. He said I should bring it back. He will just sort that out for me, and then I'll need to find some oil squirts. I think I have 2 oil squirts here, and I need another one. So I'll see what I can do. If I might have 3, I might have 2. I'll see what I have. But yeah guys, and then we'll probably take a drive around. It's a bit late now already. I need to go to Zane. Actually, I'm gonna get some piping, some fuel linings by Zane. And then I might make a turn at Dynotech. So if there is a car on the rollers, I'll show you guys as well. Seeing that this video is stopped now, yeah, cut short. So I might as well get you guys some other content. We'll see what cars Zane have. Maybe we can just have a quick walk around the shop. So yeah, let's go. So guys, there we go, CJ Auto Repairs. Yeah, so guys, basically you can see I normally do my things at CJ Auto Repairs, most of my engineerings. Or certain engineering work I do at CJ's. I do some of my work at Headzone as well. I did in the past kind of use a bit of prints, but mostly now I use Headzone. I use Headzone or prints, all depends on what I'm doing. I split it so around. Yeah guys, so there we go. The pistons is dropped off, so the pistons will be sorted. Let me make my way to Dynotech and see what Isak is about. It is home time already, so let's see if there is any action happening. So guys, I am sorry I'm not going to go to Dynotech today. Unfortunately traffic is too bad, so I am going to cancel that idea. Let me make my way home and see what I can do at home.